Let's go!
No one told you life was gonna be this way.
Welcome to podcast La 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 Lili Lili Lili. We are your host for today, and right now we are rolling. Think of this as our little car ride together, where we chat, share stories, and let the world guide the conversation. So buckle up, relax, and let's hit the road. But before we dive into today's topic, let's pick up our guest to make this ride a little more lively. Hi! Oh my god, how are you guys? We're fine, yeah. Okay, fine, good, nice. By the way, guys, have you heard about that trend that's been blowing up on X lately? Which one? The hashtag kabur aja dulu. What's that all about? So, recently the hashtag kabur aja dulu went viral on Indonesian social media, especially on X. Around February 2025, it's become a kind of social phenomenon, mostly among young people. The hashtag, which literally means just run away first, reflects frustration with the current economic situation. Things like the struggle to find decent jobs, rising education costs, and low salaries. People use it to express their desire to leave Indonesia in search of better opportunities abroad, whether for work, education, or just better life.
Oh yeah, I've seen that hashtag before. Honestly, I feel like it really captures what a lot of young Indonesians are going through right now.
Why do you think like that?
Because the condition in Indonesia has been very rough lately. The increase of unemployment and criminal case make the young generation feel suffocated and think to run away from here. Unreasonable age restriction for job application make it worse too. So the young people feel hopeless and want to seek for new opportunities abroad.
And how about you? Have you ever felt like escaping or kabur aja dulu?
Of course, I've been talking about running away. I mean studying abroad for my bachelor's. Honestly, it gets exhausting seeing all this problem here that never seems to anybody's doing the same thing. Things in Indonesia really are not good. Even international media has been reporting on so many big issues happening in Indonesia. As far as I know, a lot of local media are being silent and covering it.
But did you hear how the government responded to all this?
Yeah, also some of the statements, and honestly, I don't think they handle it well.
Exactly, I thought so too. The reaction felt super out of touch. And after that last protest, the DPR members were the ones who ended up flying abroad instead while the hashtag was still trending like crazy.
Right, and meanwhile, the people who start the conversation were being mocked by those in power.
It's ironic, isn't it? When the people speak up, the government ridicules them, but when things get heated, there are the ones who disappear first.
Yes, it's kind of a slap in the face.
But hey, on the bright side, at least we got some outfit inspo from DPR. Sorry, fits next level.
For sure, that's why our artist today is Inspired Friday.
It will take for young people to want to stay in Indonesia?
For me, the government must fix their policy, increase job vacancies, and improve the quality of education in Indonesia.
I I think young people would stay if they felt heard and respected. It's not about the jobs, but also about fair policies, freedom of speech, and a government that actually listens. If young people feel like they have real opportunities here, they will not be so desperate to leave. Yes.
Wow, what a ride! From hashtag Kamu Aja Dulu to Sahroni's Fashion Week fits, it's clear that behind every trending hashtag is a deeper story. A reflection of real frustrations, real dreams, and a generation that's just trying to make sense of it all.
Exactly, whether it's choosing to stay, to go, or to just breathe for a second, I think what matters is that people feel seen, not silenced.
Because in the end, wanting a better life isn't betrayal, it's survival. And maybe, just maybe, if this empower actually listened instead of laughed, we wouldn't even be having this conversation or trending that hashtag in the first place.
Thanks for riding with us on La 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 Lili, where the conversations are honest, a little chaotic, but always from the heart. Catch you in the next episode.
And remember, wherever you're headed, make sure you are the one driving.
Peace.
You're listening to Oncle Jazz.